This is the doing of the Lord, and it is so marvelous in my eyes. Psalm 118 verse 23. Hi guys, it's your girl Eveee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. So today I bring to you this assorted okra soup. So let's go. In a bowl I add my meats, my seasoning, and please note I'll be listing all the ingredients in the description box, so you check it out, okay? Then I add momone, stock fish or salted fish. Then I have some beef, so I added my beef, that is tolo beef, and I'm adding my blended garlic, ginger, and onion. So we're gonna rinse our bowl and then we add the water to it. Then we cover it to simmer for just about 5 minutes. So over here I added enough water to cook our meat. You know it can be very tough and tender, so we cover it and allow it to cook. So in another saucepan I add some water, my Wele cowhide, or our Nigerian brothers will say Kpomo. So I add some salt just to boil it to remove all unwanted particles from our Kpomo. So at this point you can see our soup base is doing glorious. The aroma here, family, you gotta try this, okay? So you can see our beef is doing great here. So we add our cooked and rinsed Wele to the base. Now I add my crabs and then we stir and we cover it to simmer a bit. Making okra soup this way is the simplest method to make, yet the results is amazingly great, family. Yes. So in another bowl I'm gonna cook my okra. So I have neatly chopped it, so I'll just add a little water to it, and then to get it more slimy I added some onion for more flavor and also to make it slimy. So you can see our soup base is great. So I added some fish and then I added some pepper. So I'm gonna add a little seasoning and then I'll add some onion to it, and we are good to go, family. Can you believe we are almost done? We just added our okra or okra and we are done. You know we are in Ghana month, ain't it? Ghana aduane or Ghana recipes there. Ebesu ewa hase. So just look at that. Our okra soup or okra stew is ready. Just look at that. Very simple to make, yet tastes amazingly great. So you can enjoy it just like this, wash it with your soft banku, okay? Or Oma enisuye soko, so I say a map sokua. Then we're gonna melt some palm oil, add some onions to it. Na enchi mukakra na emu enyuham. Yes. Then we add it to our okra soup. And just look at that. Presenia aye soko kono na so I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for how far we have come. It's a dream of the Lord, and it's so marvelous in my eyes. If you are new to my channel, thank you and welcome. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video you will be notified, okay? For your information, family, okra soup with banku is my favorite, okay? So you know what, join me, let's go and add some goodness to our plate, okay? Thank you guys, I love you, see ya, bye family.